See here, we are looking into the picture of a color blind female marrying a normal male. Then it will be represented like this: x small c into x capital C and y. If they are getting married, then what will happen? The gametes formed will be x small c and capital X with capital C and Y. It has no carrier of this gene. So what will be the offspring produced? Just multiply. This is x and this x. You will get a capital, that is a normal child but a carrier female. Whereas the male, why female does not get the disease? Yes, she has a backup. She has the backup of the another X chromosome. Thereby the disease will not be transmitted to her. Whereas the male, he gets only one X chromosome from his mother, so he is color blind, and the Y chromosome from his father, which has no backup for the the gene. So in the next generation, the carrier woman is getting married to a color blind man. Then what will happen? One X and another one X, this X and this X. She will be a carrier, this one and this one. Multiply this and this. So this X and this X. So she will be a carrier, but a normal female only. Then this X plus this Y. This one with this one. So she will be getting normal male, because this is the normal gene. So this X again with this X. So this X and this X, she is a color blind female. And again this X and this Y. So color blind male we will be getting as the offsprings.
Marriage between normal visioned man and a color blind woman. If a color blind woman marries a normal visioned man, what will happen? She has the color blind and he is not. So the sons will be color blind because they will get the X chromosome from his mother. And the daughters will be normal vision, but they are carriers because they are getting one chromosome from here and one chromosome from here. So the daughters will be normal, but they are carriers. Marriage between F1 carrier female with a color blind male will produce normal visioned daughter, a color blind daughter, normal visioned son, and a color blind son in the F2 generation. We studied this in the previous slide only, right? Inheritance of Y-linked genes. These genes are non-homologous. These genes are present in the non-homologous region of Y chromosome. Therefore, they are directly from male to male and they won't get inherited to the female. These genes are called as polandric genes for hypertrichosis, excessive development of hairs on the pinna of the ear. So you can see this only in the males and not in the females. The pinna of the ear will get the hair. That will be seen only in the males and not in the females. That will be inherited from father to son. Female inherits only X chromosomes from the father and therefore They are not affected with the Y-linked genes problem.